Okay, this video is about how to pulverize coffee, the coffee beans. I bought this by mistake, thinking that it was coffee already as powder, but no, beans. And I'm not gonna use the machine at the store. I'm gonna use my machine. And I used it before and it works fine. Let me close it real quick. Very tight, has to be. Just to make sure nothing flew off. So let's see. Okay, it's a little tight right now. Let me just double check. There you go. Now, check this out, how fast it will pulverize this. Okay, I don't think this is safe, maybe, let me see. No. Okay, it's not closed correctly. So let me fix it. Okay, let's try again. Let's see if it's working right now. No, it has security. Okay, so let me take some beans out to see if this is even. It's uneven right now. Yep, I have too many. So I took some off. Now let's put it. See how fast. That was fast. Okay, let's open this up now. Okay, so he made it, quite good. Oh, there's some beans over there. There's some beans. Let's do it again. Okay, put it back again. Okay, so there's some beans over there, but hey, it's fine. It worked quite good. Really good. Oops, what a mess, but it's okay. It worked fine. This is fine coffee now.